Verydarkman gives Cubana Chief Priest 48 hours to explain, or he will drag him for joining the APC and also the City Boy movement. Okay, guys, Cubana Chief Priest was one of the people who was warning Bola Ahmed Tinubu after Nnamdi Kanu was sentenced, and he was one of the people that was bashing, telling Bola Ahmed Tinubu that he will not get any single vote in the entire Southeast if Nnamdi Kanu is not released. Same him now has joined the City Boy movement. He's going to be leading the massive campaign for Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the APC in the entire Southeast. That shows you how all these people are hypocrites. All they do is only about their personal interest. So yesterday, Obi Cubana, in a video I posted, Obi Cubana has officially become a member for the City Boy movement. He will be campaigning and flying the APC flag come the 2027 presidential election. Yesterday, he also visited Imo State for the 50th birthday celebration anniversary of Imo State, where he met with the executive governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, and also Cubana Chief Priest was also present, where Cubana Chief Priest made a long post. He be like essay where they talk a lot of things. What he talk for that post plenty. I don't want to even go into that because all these people are hypocrites. They only talk when it favors them. They only talk when it aligns with their personal interests and their pockets. But I don't want to talk much. Cubana Chief Priest and Verydarkman are very close friends. And one thing I love about Verydarkman is, he know they look face. If you be friendly, if you mess up, he go call you out and then he go talk about sin take B. Verydarkman has a very strong message and straightforward message to Cubana Chief Priest. Listen to what Verydarkman had to say.
Chief of staff,
Alright, so Cubana Chief Priest, yeah, since I saw this your post towards evening of yesterday, I've been disturbed to this morning, right? And to be very honest, I need to know how I will take the role with you moving on. Do you understand? Because you don't show some kind of traits when no really they okay with me, right? Now, you have always made it clear where you stand based on politics. Do you understand? Unlike Obi Cubana, you say it just boom, shock everybody. But you have always made it clear, right? So I saw this your post, and then the caption was, Igbo at 50, the City Boy touched down Owerri to congratulate Hope Uzodinma, the Governor General, the overall leader Southeast, and also present him the task and plan ahead for the renewed hope agenda with our City Boy movement for our father, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Official Asinwaju Bat, Southeast can never be sidelined anymore. We are now inside. In a few, our people will start feeling the impact as seeing is believing. The game is on. Now, Cubana Chief, like I said, you have always made it clear, but I have a problem. And then you see this video, I will just give you 1 month, make you prove yourself, right? You are moving very, very funny. And this is why. On the 20th of November, when the ovation and when the agitation for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was high, when everybody was saying, all these our big Igbo celebrities, they know they talk anything, you quickly made this post. You said, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, as long as MNK, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, remains in jail, you cannot and will never get up to 10,000 votes in the Southeast come 2027. But today, Nnamdi Kanu still there for prison. Now you don't campaign to help them get the 10,000 votes. Bro, this is biggest level of a snake and an hypocritical. I don't even know what to say, but let's continue. I will not lie to you, Papa. As a friend of your government, I have no reason to whitewash you. MNK is the supreme leader of Southeast. His detention has caused us so much setback. I am so surprised that all your useless ministers from Southeast can't even tell you the truth because they are all cowards. You insult all these people, but now you the flag for City Boy movement. And you go up and MNK is still there. MNK is still there. None of them has capacity and can do anything to make the people love and respect you. As for governors, they will all disappoint you because what will they tell people? Absolutely nothing. Only MNK release can save you. Actually, Tinubu, all those people on that table with you at Delboro Hotel the other day are just bags of deceitful, including me. You throw everybody under the bus because now this your post make Obi Cubana fear. Everybody come they hail you. They come go they attack Obi Cubana that day where Obi Cubana self come rush, come make the post. Do you understand? But now you are moving way more funny. At this point, you have watched than all of them. But we'll continue. They can't do anything for you. They can't even go to their hometowns because of MNK detention. So how can they help you? They only want lands from you to develop and sell. Is that what you also want? Was this a deal bargain? Was this to show them that me self, when I know they look my side, if I don't look my side, I will fight against you now? Do you understand? Now, when you talk about they only want land to develop, are you referring to Obi Cubana? Because now Obi Cubana they built that period. You know, you throw a lot of shady things here, right? You know me, I don't need anything from you. Villa, now hotel, now few more days, you check out. Time will reach and only MNK can guarantee you real votes from the Southeast. Look out for Governor Alex Oti. He can convince people genuinely. Also, I was surprised when you missed his invitation to commission his project in Abia, where MNK hails from. Asiwaju sent the incompetent minister a failure and a betrayal to Southeast to represent him. A man who has done nothing for us, to worsen it. The weak deputy speaker won't stop attacking our own favorite Alex Oti, Governor Oti. To my father, Hope Uzodinma, you have done well, but you will be a complete loser if you don't get MNK out. Your legacies will be swept under the carpet if you don't get it right. I believe your tactics, but with MNK sentence, I'm weak. His detention has messed up all your achievements. Please, Governor General, do it proper. Help our Asiwaju well. Without MNK outside, everything shall fall into pieces. Asiwaju gave me access to the villa, gave me my first presidential handshake. I will never forget. Talk me my presidential, never forget. Talk more of watching him fail. Appeal the judgment and get it right. Get it ready. Out of the villa 27, Southeast belong to MNK. This is the words of the gods. Play with it at your own risk. My brother, MNK still there. Mazin Namdekadu, they don't lock him for Sokoto. Deep inside Sokoto. As the temple come down, you stay quiet. Now let me show you another sneaky thing you did, Cubana Chief. Then you posted this. You posted the screenshot of Una's deputy speaker. Woke up to see that the deputy speaker wrote me by 7:08 a.m. and deleted it. I am worried, I am scared, I am shivering, but yet I am fearless. Oh, superhero, superhero, you are so fearless. You dey breathe for this video where you post. This is your last video you did.
Anambra State, elector. Also,
you need to hit the gym, bro. You need to hit the gym, but let's continue. I am fearless, but I'm fearless because I know my name is Chibike. Sir, if you come for me, God will embarrass you. Just face your work and do it well. If I was to be the deputy speaker, I would do better than you. Ijele, I relocated to Lagos because MNK detention. Till tomorrow, my son Donald keeps saying, I miss Owerri. He is so excited we are going next month. I built a country home in my village since 6 years ago. I was just able to visit there 2 weeks ago to meet my people in poverty after 5 years because of detention of MNK. Businesses in Southeast crashed, and that's where I have my major investment and peace of mind. I am wounded already. I'm in pain. You no get wetin you won't do me. Where go pass the pain inflicted already. I miss home. Chai, Cubana Chief, chai. If I was in your position, I will fix Southeast, I will unite governors, I will summon ministers, I will assemble the whole elite, I will secure peace for our Southeast, the same way where you dey take dress well on our Igbo attire. Dress our Southeast well like that. That same way where you dey let me stop that this thing quick. The same way where you take package your convoy, package our Southeast well like that. You are a very smart, stylish, young and clean guy. Please apply that to your governance. Remove your eye from party politics and save Southeast. Time is going. We go soon meet for streets after your tenure. If you no change your ways, we go remember you say you once had opportunity, but you did not achieve anything for us. Use this position to bring peace to the Southeast. We go use our hand, make you governor. The only way is to let MNK come and fix what he spoiled by himself. I love you. No vex for me. No vex for me. Baba, I dey vex. I won't go village. Go do my own dirty December. Lagos, where they dry for December. Before, na him they bubble now for December. Them no born us for Lagos. We have a home. What is Southeast Development Commission when we can't go home? No fight for me. I be your boy. No fight me, yo. I be your boy. I love you. You know that is just a wake-up call, sir. No be insult, because no be you get Nigeria. Now we put you there, so we suppose they ginger you. To whom much is given, much is expected. Now, Cubana Chief Priest, at this point, do you know what I think you did? I think you used all of this to get a lot of clout so that your people will think that you are fighting for them. The agenda is already clear. The agenda is very, very clear. Nnamdi Kanu is still in prison, but now you don't go. That 10,000 votes where you say they no go get if Nnamdi Kanu no dey outside. You don't go help them now with the city boy movement. You won't go gather around from your people. You won't use your small little influence. They get them. You won't use your small little influence to get them. I can't respect you anymore, to be very honest. I can't respect you anymore. The only way I will respect you now, Cubana Chief Priest, is if you can tell me that by the end of February, this thing where you do, Nnamdi Kanu go come out. If Nnamdi Kanu no come out by the end of February, bro, you are a snake and a terrible person. No, that's the only thing when I can tell you. If you don't come out, you are just a typical user that was using your people to get clouds. You were just using the emotions of the people, because that time when they sentenced Nnamdi Kanu, a lot of people they cry. A lot of Igbos they cry. They cry. That time you use the opportunity. You throw Obi Cubana, throw Delboro, throw everybody under the bus. You claim the hero. Now you don't pack yourself. All of now don't go and Nnamdi Kanu dey for there, bro. You are a hypocrite. There's nothing anybody wants to tell me. And a very big cloud chaser at that. Very big, very big. And like I said, go and watch, go and treat yourself, man. You're breathing in that video, man. You need to watch your health. I don't want anything to happen to you. Just the way you type towards the end. I am your brother. I love you. I don't want anything to happen to you. So go and treat yourself. You understand? Because now small thing remain now. Yeah, you go for that video now. You will just pass there for. But I'm giving you to the end of this month, so that I'll know the kind of person where you be. Make sure Nnamdi Kanu is out by the end of this month. Else, you are a typical user that is trying to use the Igbos to get what he wants. This is also a very selfish move and a greedy move. You also want to get land to build. You also just want to make more money. And as Obi Cubana, anyways, it is what it is at the end of the day. Now, Nakoku using our people pass. I'm not even surprised, am I? Peace and love, don't play. If you play Ghana, you will learn the hard way. My own pain, they say, I can't go even hail Cubana Chief Priest that time for in DM after I see that post. I just say, okay, this one is different, it's ready to fight. You fucking ass nigga. Bye.